Hello everyone and welcome to Press On Nails by V. I am Vanessa and today I'm going to walk you through how to apply your Press On Nails with nail glue. Your Press On Nail kit comes with your 10 customized Press On nails to the shape that you ordered. It also comes with a cuticle stick, a alcohol wipe, a nail buffer, and nail glue. I don't include these in the order, but I do highly suggest using acetone or nail dehydrator when applying your press-on nails. This will make your nails last a lot longer. Please connect with me if you're interested and I can send you some links. Make sure to check the sizes to ensure that everything fits properly before applying. You don't want to put a nail on and then realize that it doesn't fit properly. Remove any nail polish from the nail beds and then you're going to file your nails short. Gently push back cuticles using the cuticle stick provided. Gently buff nails with the purple side of the nail buffer provided to create a texture. Wipe your natural nails with the alcohol pad provided to remove any oils and dust. Dehydrate your nails with a wipe of acetone or a nail dehydrator. Press on nail package, it'll say left and right. I have it upside down here just because I find it easier to apply when it's facing away from me. Next, you're going to cut the tip off the nail glue provided. Start applying with both pinkies first and work your way in so your thumbs can support you during the application process. I like to alternate between my left hand and right hand and I find that works really well. Apply nail glue to the middle of your natural nail and spread it around the nail. You want to avoid your cuticle, sidewall, and skin. Apply a dot of glue to the press-on nail and spread that around. You want to apply enough nail glue where there's a halo around it so that when you press down, excess glue will spread out. Apply the press-on at a 45-degree downward angle, aligning with the cuticle and sidewall. Press down lightly and hold for 60 seconds. When you're pressing down, you want to slightly push it into your cuticle. You don't want to hurt yourself, you just want to slightly push it into your cuticle. This gives more of a natural look. When you press down, you want to lift your finger back up quickly and then put it back down to hold it for the 60 seconds. You want to do this just to make sure that if there is any excess glue coming out from the sides, you're not gluing your finger to your nail. If you do get some nail glue on your skin or on the press-on nail, just take a nail brush or a Q-tip and dip it in a little bit of acetone and that'll clean that right up. You want to rock your fingers side to side just to even out the glue so that there's no air bubbles. Be patient with yourself when applying press-on nails with glue. It does take a bit of practice to figure out what works for you and what doesn't. You're going to find out if you're using too much glue or not enough, so just be patient with the process, that it takes some time to figure out what works for you. These are what the nails look like afterwards. You want to avoid contact with water for 1 to 2 hours for a better hold. This is super important. An additional tip is you want to apply your nails right before bed. This can give more time for them to adhere. And an optional tip is you can apply cuticle oil to rehydrate your nails. And that is pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching. Really appreciate you taking the time to watch this video, and I hope it was super helpful. So if you have any questions, feel free to give me a message, and I can't wait for you to enjoy your nails. If you enjoyed this video, I would love for you to give it a thumbs up. If you enjoy press-on nails, I would love for you to subscribe to my channel to see my additional videos. See you!